Friends, myself Trudvika Chira. Today I'm going to tell you a place of English language in India. If you don't understand anything, please share your feedback on our WhatsApp group. Then friends, one who willing to work across the globe must have knowledge of advanced English. Innumerable persons in India have learnt an English language with its basic structure. Multiplicity of languages in India is a main problem for the beginners of English language. In such situation, we have to keep our own command on that language which would not be spoken by regional people but also spoken by the world-class people. Hi friends, there is a problem in intercommunication because every region has its own regional language. The regional language is consisting of number of dialects about which dialects non-native peoples are totally unknown, and therefore there is a broad problem in an intercommunication process. Normally, a child in India learns to speak at least two or three languages because through their mother tongue they complete a primary education and then turn towards the second language. Most probably, English is the second language of every Indian people or citizens. Therefore, the child in India, children in India, learn to speak at least two or three languages. Hi friends, English has prominent place not only in school education but also at job because the world class people are dealing as well as communicating in an English language. The English is a compulsory subject to all students from primary education to degree education. English language has prominent place in corporate communication after new economic policy of 1991. It is sure that if you have good command on English language, thousands of opportunities would be unlocked to you in the future. Can say how English language is helpful for us. Improvement in number of subjects become possible with the help of English language. All primary data for the sake of different purpose available in an English language. English language helps us to make proper interpretation of given words, clauses and phrases also. Mostly it happens with all students that they neglect the English subject in their present curriculum. But if students perform best in English by using appropriate writing skills, they can score themselves in other subjects. Nowadays, English is a medium of instruction. Then it plays prominent role in multilingual society. Mostly the instructions are given to a candidate in an English language in many competitive examinations. Higher education in science, medicine, engineering, technology are not possible without English language. And finally, many good books of higher educations are available in English only, whereas Indian languages have not been developed enough to meet the demand of the difficult subjects studied at higher level.